The golf ball is at rest and remains at rest until Christian hits the ball, which is an external force. This is Newton's first law.
All right.
To find acceleration, you need to calculate the change in speed divided by the time. That is how you find acceleration. Breaking news!
When I rode the motorbike up the drive, that was an example of acceleration. Positive acceleration to be exact. Negative acceleration was exemplified when I came back because I was slowing down.
I haven't done this in like...
As the ball accelerates toward Allison, an unbalanced force, being the bat, acts upon the ball and sends it into motion. This is Newton's second law in action. Newton's second law is used to describe causes of motion.
The football is a projectile, moves on a parabolic path, and once it reaches its trajectory, it descends toward Christian.
Oh, medicine.
Throwing the lacrosse ball is an example of Newton's third law. The law states that for every applied force, there is an opposite and equal force applied. The ball hits the wall, and the wall hits the ball. To find force, one should multiply mass times acceleration.
That's right, ball. Check yourself before you wreck yourselves. The concept of friction is being demonstrated through the sport of curling. The soapstone is a smooth surface and therefore has a low frictional coefficient, this coefficient being mu. Blowing the ice cube is a recreation of the curler putting the stone into motion. Work is done when a force acts upon an object to cause a displacement. Allie pushing against me caused me to move backwards. Thus, she was doing work.
When Christian shoots the bow and arrow, he demonstrates the law of conservation of energy, because when the bow is in full draw, it has elastic potential energy, but when he lets go, there is kinetic energy. Although the energy changes, no energy is lost.
Christian will shoot... What is wrong with you?
Gravitational potential energy is present when I hold the weight over my head because it has the ability to fall due to gravity.
You may not know this, but chemical energy is a type of potential energy. The chemical energy of a substance is due to the condition of the atoms of which it is made.